So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the various off-campus drives at Deloitte. So three off-campus drives we'll be discussing about. And before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus drives and also various off-campus preparation related videos, like how to prepare for the various off-campus. And also we take mock interview. It's absolutely free of cost. You can reach out to us to schedule your mock interview. And in our last video we discussed about the KPMG off campus, about the Apple and Applied Material, IBM and ServiceNow Global Logic off campus, and also the Sasken off campus. So I'll be putting the links to the latest off campus types as well in the description of this video. And also you can apply for the IBM and Cognizant and TCS off campus as well. The links will be there in the description of this video. You can go through the links and apply for the various off campus. And also you can see also various off campus preparation videos, like how to prepare for the TCS technical interview, and also what are the various aptitude questions or the pseudo questions asked in Accenture and Infosys, so and so. You can watch all these videos in our homepage or in our YouTube channel, right? And before discussing further, you can apply for this Apple off-campus drive. They are hiring for the technical support position. So the link will be there in the description of this video. You can go and apply for this position as well if you are interested. So it is basically the candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience or 0 to 2.5 years of experience. So the freshers can apply without any like backlog with for any branch candidates. Actually it is right. So now let's discuss about the first off campus. So Deloitte is hiring for the position of technical support analyst position. So there are various positions are locations are available: Bangalore, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Mumbai and all. So you can choose the location based on your interest. And coming to the job responsibilities or the details, but before that let me tell you one thing. So this is the requirement ID here. You can reach out to any Deloitte employee for reference. You can share this requisition ID and they can refer you for this position, right? So now let's discuss. So basically they are looking for the candidate. It is especially a technical background, technical support position. So basically you need to provide the hardware and software application support and asset management and tracking of hardware and software, and duty requires knowledge of existing, install and configure the standard images on the laptops, so and so, right? So it's basically all about the managing the laptops or the like dealing with the software updates or kind of like paging activities and all. And basically they are looking for the ITIL certification or the Microsoft knowledge or the experience or the expertise. And they are basically looking for the candidates with BTech, B or engineering graduation, and you should be having some idea about Outlook, troubleshooting of Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Like suppose I am facing some issue with my Outlook application or something, or with my Windows application, right? Or various Windows system applications or etc. And you should be like ready to troubleshoot all the issues, like if the audio like audio or some audio or some hardware issue is there, like you can you can reach out to that person and they will be sharing the screen so that like you can help them out, right? So it's basically all about the software kind of like Microsoft Office kind of like support activity you need to perform. And the second position is cloud DevOps engineer. So basically you need to deal with all the development in UAT and the support kind of profile or the activities for various cloud like technologies or the services like AWS and Azure, GCP and all, based on the like client needs. And they're hiring for the Hyderabad location, and there is some experience needed. You see, if you see here, there is 3 years of experience needed, but it is not mandatory. You should be having some like some hands-on experience on that, at least 1 year. So they can consider you. And coming to the third position, so they are hiring for SQL DB analyst, and the two locations that they have available. So the first location is Bangalore and second one is the Hyderabad. And basically, as you know, what will be your responsibility as a DBA analyst, right? You need to perform some normalization kind of thing and data warehousing, and kind of like to deal with providing some access and all to the all the database schemas or the tables we have, and to build some packages and the functions, procedures, so and so, right? And this is all about this position. And coming to the experience and all, a minimum 2 years of experience they have needed, but yes, it is not mandatory. If you have some good experience on the knowledge, and if you have lesser amount of experience, it's still fine, you can apply for this position. Because I know they generally mention all this kind of like experience 2 to 4 years, but it is not mandatory. Minimum 1 year, or like freshers can also apply if they have some prior intensive or the hands-on experience to mention in their resume, right? And BTech, MCA and MS candidates are eligible for this position. And if you are interested for this position, simply click on the apply now. You'll be able to apply for all these positions. It will take you to the career page where you can log in and apply. So if you are existing user, or if you have already created an account in the Deloitte career page, then you can simply provide your email address and password, then you can log in. Or else, if you are a first time applicant, click on the first time applicant. It will take you to the like from the scratch. You need to fill up all the details. Like from the computer, you can upload your resume, personal information, and job specific question and other things will automatically be populated. You need to verify and provide wherever it is needed. Then once it is done, you can review and submit. Once it is done, you will be receiving a copy of like acknowledgement in your email, right? So this is all about the 3 off-campus drives at Deloitte. So I'll be posting these links in the description of this video so that you can go and apply for this off-campus. And again, I am repeating, guys, if you are a fresher, still you can apply for this position, not an issue, provided you must be having some relevant experience or the intensive, so that you can mention in your resume and you can get the preferences, right? So guys, thank you for watching this video.